So I think last time we have discussed some laws of control, and I am very happy you have shared very good things on the Moodle. Many of the students have shared many practical examples, live examples. Some have shared of the from telecommunication company like Idea Vodafone case study. Some have shared of the Maruti. Some have shared of the Honda car, Toyota car. Very good. So I'll just give you feedback on the Moodle only uh, after this day because today is the last day to submit. So I'll share you the feedback till Saturday.
आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं और पहली बार वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन को भी जरूर दबाएं क्योंकि हमें आपके सपोर्ट की बहुत ज़रूरत है। आपके बिना हम कुछ भी नहीं हैं। तो आप इस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को लाइक भी जरूर करें। अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर करें और व्हाट्सएप फेसबुक पर कहीं भी इसे शेयर जरूर करें।
Okay, so today we'll be starting some source of problem. What are the sources of problem? So we have understood now laws of control, but why there is a laws of control? So very first problem is a product. So while designing the product only, what we do, we generally put incorrect or unclear specifications of the product. Like our product is not defined properly. So that is a very basic problem. Yes, correct. So very basic problem is a product. Then second is the data. Okay. Data means data out of control or different definition of data, incorrectly structured data. For example, you are working in a project like BTech project, you will be working. There are 4 people in a group. And if you four are not communicating with each other and you are individually discussing with your guide something, something, something. So there is a different definition of data. So your data is not structured properly. Okay. So in the company, you can think your four are working and there's a lot of discrepancies. So in the company, you think कितना सारा डेटा है, कितना सारा अगर कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है प्रॉपर तो कितना आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जाएगा. Then there is a process. Process not defined, unclear process, conflicting processes. Okay, इसका एक simple example है assembly line. If you have seen the assembly line in the manufacturing plant, तो उसमें देखा होगा बहुत सारी प्रोसेस होती है. हर इस प्रोसेस को एक टेक्निक होती है या फिर there is a process how there is a SOP. So there is a standard operating procedures how you need to do that process. Okay. So अगर उस SOP के हिसाब से वर्कर्स ने काम नहीं किया, सो बहुत अगर एसओपी डिफाइन ही नहीं है, पहला तो है एसओपी डिफाइन नहीं है और फिर अनक्लियर एसओपी एंड द कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग मतलब देयर आर 2 मैनेजर्स, एक का एसओपी दूसरा है, एक का एसओपी दूसरा है, वर्कर्स बेचारे 2 मैनेजर्स के बीच में पिस जाते हैं. So that is a main problem. Then there is application. Application means island of automation. Missing application, ineffective application interface, unaligned application leading to manual data re-entry and error. Okay. So there are because of the automation problems or automation नहीं लेना है automation लेना है तो किधर लेना है कैसे लेना है. So these are also problems. Then there are project status weak. This is the very good thing which most of the students are very clear. Project status weak. जैसे हम लोगों ने last semester देखा, बहुत सारे बच्चों के प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हुए थे नहीं हुए थे, बट स्टेटस कुछ तो डाल देते थे. Okay. Of course, it was not of your issue only. That was the issue of the corona pandemic also. There was a lockdown. You cannot manufacture. You cannot go out. You cannot design because you don't have a laptop. Some have a laptop. Some don't have. So that is a major problem. Then there are no clear project objectives. So that is the defining the project objectives very essential. Okay. Too many projects for company. अगर कंपनी के पास बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट है तो अगर वो सब प्रोजेक्ट पे प्रॉपर कंट्रोल नहीं कर रहे, so there is a problem. Then there is equipments, that is machine and software license underutilized or not used. Then people specific skills missing, lack of training. That is a major issue for India now, and that's why Modi ji ने launch किया Skill India. Of course, it is somewhat successful, and therefore the people have to get the skills. Okay. Okay. So let's go next. So organization working methods not defined. अगर तुम ऐसे organization में काम करो जहाँ पे hierarchy मतलब director, HOD, faculty, then student, like in our college, like way in the company there is a manager or the program manager, project manager, then project manager there is a team lead, under team lead there is again leader, then there are the workers, then there are everything. So if there is no hierarchy and if there is no proper system organization में काम करने का, then there is a problem. Okay. Okay, so some of the product we'll discuss today where there is a problem because of the loss of control and because of this. Yes.
Monish, sir. We will take one
Yes, yes,
poll
yes.
question, then we'll go with the. Okay. This poll
Yes,
question is related
yes,
to
yes.
loss of control.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, student, please answer quickly in your, on your screen. Quickly, 84% have answered yes. Okay, yes, 85, yes. Quickly answer. Yes, almost 90% have answered. So I'll just stop and share you the answers on the screen. So these are the answers you have marked. Yes, so most of the answers are 90% students are correct. All of them, yes. So are there any questions, sir? Rupesh, sir?
No, there are few questions are there. We will take later on.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so student, again I'm giving you common instruction again. So everyone need to enroll on Moodle if you're not enrolled today, because the attendance and everything will be shared on the Moodle itself. So I request everyone to enroll on the Moodle. I've shared you the key on your WhatsApp group. Okay, and everyone need to complete the activity whose deadline is today night 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Okay, so why I'm telling you to complete the exercise compulsorily, because you know what happened in the last semester. If there is a pandemic and there is a corona increase in the next 2-3 months, then again the exams and all this thing will be problem. So your marks will be calculated from the activities only. That's why we are not sure. हम लोग को पता नहीं आगे क्या होगा, इसलिए जो भी है अभी इसे complete करो. Okay, so an example Airbus A830. Okay, एक फ्लाइट का नाम सुना होगा अभी रिसेंटली तुम लोगों ने, जो उड़ रही थी हवा में और गायब हो गई बीच में. Can anybody tell me? Please type in your chat box answer in the question box. What is that flight name? हम लोगों ने बीच में बहुत नाम सुना था, बीच में गायब हो गया, पता ही नहीं कहाँ कहाँ चले गया वो, बीच में गायब हो गया था. मलेशियन एयरलाइन आई थिंक. यस, बट व्हाट इज दैट फ्लाइट नेम? कौन सा था वो? एनीबॉडी हैव आइडिया? या मलेशियन एयरलाइन. या रेहान प्रज्योत हैव आंसर. But what is that Boeing? I think some number is there. That flight has been, I think Boeing has been stopped that flight. Airbus. Okay, Prathamesh telling Airbus. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Airbus 370. Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, Airbus 370. I think yes, I guess. Or Boeing 786. There's an open book question. You can search on the Google and you can answer. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. So what is the problem here? Yes, so yes, I think 370. Yeah, most of you are telling Airbus 370. Yes. So delivery of first A380 was originally planned for this, but it was eventually delivered in the second half of 2007, 2 years late. The cost of late delivery was estimated to be, okay. Can anybody tell in the chat box why there is a cost of late delivery around $6 billion? Why? अगर 2 साल मैंने प्रोडक्ट लेट लॉन्च किया मार्केट में, मेरा इतना लॉस क्यों हुआ? Can anybody tell in the chat box? Or if I can unmute someone. Yes, Joydeep, I unmuted you. You can tell. Jaydeep Katkar.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Due to firstly, there is inventory cost estimated on the industry. That is why when we launch a product after 2 years, that is why the cost invented in the machines and also in the workers in last 2 years is estimated near the loss. So
Yes, correct. Very good. So you are telling one reason is the inventory because they have a lot of inventory. Okay. Any other
Yes.
reason? Anyone? Firoz, Chowki, I have unmuted you. Can you tell? Gokul, I have also unmuted you. You can also speak.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Sir, actually, the technology is upgrading every day. So, sir, for example, if a company launches the product 2 years late or even 2 months late, there are other companies that are ready to compete. They might release that technology that should be released at that point of time. Today, the technologies are being released based on the ahead of time. So, sir, actually, this will lead to a serious market crash, and I think that $6 billion is actually a good loss as compared to the existing technology.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. So in this case, some of the students have written that is inventory cost. Google also told very correct. There is some technology will go ahead and they will launch and they will capture their market. That is the main another reason. Another reason for this cost of late delivery is very simple reason is the human cost. सबसे ज्यादा कंपनी में HR cost है, human management, human resource का cost. So 2 साल लेट किया 2 साल लेट किया तो 2 साल तक ह्यूमन का सैलरी मतलब लोगों को सैलरी देना पड़ता है ना उतना 2 साल का सैलरी मैक्सिमम जो ये $6 बिलियन में दिख रहा है दैट इज द सैलरी ऑफ द पीपल आई थिंक यू मे बी अवेयर ऑफ इट मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज या मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जहाँ पे कुछ भी काम चल रहा है वहाँ पे मैक्सिमम कॉस्ट जो जाता है दैट इज HR कॉस्ट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कॉस्ट ओके सो दैट्स व्हाई इफ यू आर डीलिंग एनी प्रोडक्ट 2 साल तक लोगों को सैलरी तो देना ही पड़ेगा ना उनको थोड़ी बोल सकते नहीं मेरा प्रोडक्ट लेट हो गया है अभी 2 साल तक बैठो अभी उसके बाद सैलरी मिलेगा ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते तो मेजर कॉस्ट ऑफ द $6 बिलियन इज अ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कॉस्ट ओके then Airbus A350 that is a commercial launch in the December it was expected to be launch okay but it entered service in this and this the initial specification was based on the extension okay that is the same problem okay then we have something like problem can occur during product manufacture okay so these are the Apple Dell Lenovo so they were using a Sony made lithium ion battery but at that time in 2006 the battery was having a problem of overheat in certain circumstances and poses a safety risk so this is a problem while manufacturing the product or the product has been delivered to the people like we have something like Samsung also somewhere in the middle Samsung told that the people have complained the Samsung batteries are heating up and they are bursting so in the I think mostly in the era of 2010-12 they have replaced the batteries then product problem can also occur during product use that is you have seen the Air France Concorde notice a loss of power and a fire under the left wing soon after the takeoff from Paris okay so these are very hi-fi products so we can also see there are very small products also which have failed because of some issues okay so mainly you have heard about the automobile things most of the companies they are recalling the cars like Honda Toyota because of some problem in the car then problem can occur at the product end of life, like French Ministry of Defense had problem in 2005 and 2006 with Q790, dismantling the hull of the scrap was never going to be easy. A failed attempt to, okay, so this was the, like, what is the product end of life? Means there we need to scrap the product, okay, we need to reuse it or recycle it. So mainly the problem can be you cannot dismantle the product very easily that may be the issue so while designing only you need to check and you need to make sure कि उसका end of life बराबर होना चाहिए okay then product can also occur related to product safety okay so this is like very simple and common example drinking glasses that can break during use cameras that can overheat stool that can become unstable lawn sprinkles that can crack or candle packaging that can ignite so these are all very common example sweatshirt hoods drawstrings that poses a hazard to children so like initially the sweatshirt was like our sweater was of wool now it is of synthetic polymers so mainly it is a hazardous for children if they eat or something okay so these are some basic problems which happen because of loss of control and because of these issues that is source of problem okay so you need to understand the sources of problem so Next we'll go to, oh, very good exercise now. So we have understood sources of problem for a PLM or for an industry. Now I'm just giving you some small diagram. Just say it for 2 minutes and you need to tell me what are the sources of problem in this employee life cycle. So I've just shown you this figure. So he is a person, you can consider you are this person and you are starting here and ending somewhere here. So some may be happy like this. Okay, some may be loving your job, some may be loving your business, some may be loving your life cycle, employee life cycle. But I have a question for you. Can you tell me the problems? What you feel in the employee life cycle? What are the parameters affecting or the problem affecting this employee life cycle? Okay, so you can type in your chat box also, and I will just make somebody unmute so that you can speak also. Anyone like to explain it? Please raise your hand. I will unmute them. Yeah, Aditya Prakash. Yeah, I'm unmuting you, Aditya. Aditya, you can speak.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, the biggest problem first is getting a job. Firstly, is
Yes, you got that.
prepares to get a job. Then, if he
Yes,
gets a job or doesn't get a job, there are two scenarios. First, if he gets a job, if he gets a job, then he
yes,
keeps working, get promoted, and get responsibility. And getting promoted and getting extra responsibility puts extra burden on him. He gets detached from his family or its other personal life, and that's make him tired of from his work. And he starts thinking about changing a work. Then changing of works can go into two different direction. First, he starts his own venture, or he becomes an entrepreneur. Or
yes,
second is he starts looking for a new job. If he starts a new venture, then there's a possibility of success or loss. That will put extra burden on him. And then if he finds a new job, then the cycle will be re-established from the initial point. And this was the main
yes.
problem.
Yeah, very good, very good, very correct. Yeah, some other student? Prajakta, you want to elaborate? Prajakta Ninamne, I have unmuted you. Prajakta is having some internet problem. Prajakta, can you unmute yourself? Yes, Pallavi, I have unmuted you. You can unmute yourself and you can speak. Pallavi or Pooja. Omkar Mane. You can unmute and you can speak. Yeah, most of you have written very good in the chat box also. Yeah, fail in interview, more responsibility, stress of work. Yes, Kalyan is telling correct. Omkar, any of the Omkar. There are 3, 4 Omkars, so I muted all of you. So you can speak if you want. You can unmute yourself and you can speak. 4 Omkars are there. Anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Omkar Gizure. Yeah. Yes, Omkar.
Yes, sir. So we can see here it's a whole circle. If we see it is a life cycle, of course it is called. And there are various problems if we can see, like failing in a job interview is the first problem if we start from the cycle. Then again, if the person gets the job, then again he keeps working and promotions happen and then responsibility increases. So there are a lot of problems we can see here. And of course, one solution is also provided, that becoming an entrepreneur. But again, after becoming an entrepreneur, again the things get complicated. Again, he gets a whole responsibility of that venture. So there, I can see a huge amount of problems in an employee's life cycle. We all
Yeah.
thrive for it.
Yes, yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes, correct. You told very good thing. That is becoming an entrepreneur. So it seems very simple. The grass on the other side is always green. हम लोग को दूसरे साइड घास हमेशा हरी दिखती है, जैसे रिलायंस, टाटा, इतने बड़े बड़े ब्रांड है, वाओ। अरे हमको लगता है कि वो लोग बहुत सिंपल काम है, but it's not very simple. Becoming an entrepreneur is really very difficult, and you can see in this corona pandemic कितने होटल्स है, ये वाले चाय जो हमने सुना था इतना फेमस पॉपुलर हो गया, बट कोरोना में सबकी बैंड हो जाती। ओके, सो डूइंग एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज वेरी गुड, बट द रिस्क एंड द कैपेबिलिटी दोनों होना चाहिए। ऐसे ही बस एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है, इसमें कूदना नहीं चाहिए। ओके, यस, सो दिस डायग्राम शोज यू very good interpretation how the employee life cycle is going on. Okay, so this will be, you please remember it for your whole life, because this is the last year. After this you will be getting a job, you will be getting to work. Yeah, Samiksha is telling very good. If we will find job, he will give his best and get promoted, but due to promotion the load of his work will definitely increase. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, so let's go to next. In the meantime, I'll just show you some poll question. I'll give you some poll question. Okay, I think okay, this is a simple question. You just telling you on your screen. Whole question, I think not visible. Yeah, it's visible. This is a general question now. We'll discuss it on later. Okay, 90% have voted. Quick fast, student, please be quick fast. Yes, so 90% have voted, and I'll just show you the answer. Of course, you don't know this topic, so right or wrong answer doesn't matter. Okay, we'll just close now. Please see what you have answered on your screen. Yes, so most of you have answered 3. Okay. Okay, I'll just tell you the right answer. The right answer is 5. Okay, I'll just show you today what are that process we'll discuss today. Okay. Okay, so this is we'll just show you some other screen. Yes. Okay. So we have understood PLM definition. This is generally the life cycle phase. Okay. Okay, the SIM data defines PLM as this. SIM data is what? Can anybody tell me what is SIM? SIM data is a company. Okay. So you can just Google it. SIM data is a company. Okay. So they define a strategic business approach. Okay, for a PLM, which is applied for customer, design, and supply partners. This you will understand later, not now. But you can understand this from the concept to the last stage or the life of a product or a plant. Okay, let's go next. So fundamental concepts of PLM are accessing and using product definition information in a universal, secure, and manageable manner. Okay. One thing I want to tell you, my student, see, PLM subject is little bit theoretical, and you need, if you want to go in a PLM domain, तो तुम लोगों को थ्योरी थोड़ा बोलते आना चाहिए उनको। पीएलएम का जो जॉब होता है, जो भी जाता है कंपनी में, उन लोगों को थोड़ा you need to speak some technical words. That's why I'm showing you all these details. So it should be universal, it should be secure and manageable manner, and maintaining the integrity of a product definition and related information throughout the life cycle of the product or plant, and managing and maintaining the business process used to create, manage, disseminate, share, and use the information. Okay, so how this evolution of the PLM market has gone. Okay, and this is also one small game. So you can just Google it out, open book game for you. And I want the question box panel in front of me, so I can just see. Yes. So you can just Google it out. I will ask you some terms. You need to answer in your chat box. Okay, so this evolution has been started from 1985 and now it is 2005 plus. Okay. Okay, the first question, what is EDM? You can Google it. It's an open book. So you can just type in your chat box if you got the answer. What is EDM? Quick, fast. It's a 1 minute game. So evolution
So
of
after
PLM market.
finishing this, Monish sir,
Yes, yes.
hello. So
Bolo,
after
bolo.
finishing this slide, we will take one small video regarding PLM of Tata Technology.
Yes, yes, yes. No problem, no problem. Yes, yes. So most of you have written, wow, electric discharge machining. Govind is telling. So it is not, it is correct, it is in the manufacturing, but in the PLM, EDM is enterprise data management. Yes, most of you are writing now correct. Very good, very good. So it started from 1985 to 1990 with enterprise data management. Then 1990 to 95, it is PDM. Okay, what is PDM? Quick, fast. Yes, Swapnil got the right answer. Product data management. Yes, product data management. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. So it's a, so 1995 it was PDM. So it was earlier EDM, PDM. Then it is CPC. 1995 to 2000. What is CPC? You can Google it out. This is open book. Cost per click. Oh wow. I think you are, or most of you are doing like Facebook marketing or YouTube marketing. There it is very popular, CPC. Cost per click. Yeah, no, I think somebody has got, yes, 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 collaborative product commerce. Yes, so it was little bit difficult to understand what is collaborative product commerce. Then we have got a PLM, which is very simple and very easy to understand. Product lifecycle management. Okay, so you can see there are various things in this chart and how it's developing. So now we are on the pick, that is now NPDI. Yeah, what is NPDI? Next question for you. What is NPDI? So you can see here on the top chart. So mechatronics is the thing which is growing now very, very lucratively. Mechatronics, matlab mechanical plus electronica combination. It's plus it is having a computer IT ka support. So it's a combination of 2-3 branches. Okay. New, oh yes, yes, you got correct. Nihar, Gokul, Vaishnavi, new product development and introduction. Yes, correct, correct. Okay, so now we are at the new product development and introduction. So basically you can see on the top side and the bottom side also you can see there is a data management, then basic workflow, multicad, BOM, bill of materials, chain management, and it's slowly going. Okay, what is EAI tools application? EAI tools application, this one, EAI tool application. Yeah, you can Google it. Yes, yes. EAI tools application. So it is enterprise application integration. Yes, yes. So this is also because why I'm telling you why I'm doing this exercise, because this is like open book test. Open book test is more difficult than closed book. लगता है हमको ओपन बुक इजी है बट बहुत डिफिकल्ट भी होता है. अगर तुम लोग डायरेक्टली EAI डालोगे गूगल में तो बहुत सारे नाम आएंगे अलग अलग, बट EAI इन PLM डालोगे तो ही प्रॉपर नाम आता है. देन DMU, next term DMU. So we are going from enterprise application integration to DMU, then to innovation management to NPDI. So what is DMU? DMU, I think digital mockup. Yes, Neha Samiksha got the correct answer. That is digital mockup. So this is the way by which we have gone and we have developed the PLM software. Okay, so now we are at the peak of it, where we are learning NPDI and we also are interested to integrate the mechatronics. Okay. Okay, so PLM generally is made up of these 4 things. That is product, people, process, and data. And you can see here, this chart is very, very useful. You can see here, product is I think you know the set subset theories in the mathematics. Okay, so like product is subset. then there is a process, then there is a people, then there is a big thing that is called a data. So this diagram is very, very useful, and this is very easy to understand what is the PLM made up of. Okay, Rupesh sir, we can take a video, I think, of PLM, what is in the Tata Technologies. I'll just play more important. Technology is not more important, business. It's about the money. Yes, I'll share the video on the Moodle, no problem. Yes. Anybody want to share more thing? Yes, Anand is telling be market leader. Tejas is saying technology plus money both. Yes, very good. Anyone want to share more? Please be attentive. I will make anyone as a this thing host, or I will make unmute anyone. Yes. Yes. Most of them having good software is not sufficient. Product development. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, that's very nice. Okay. Okay, so this is very important slide I need to tell you so that you make your mind open. You need to go in lot of data. PLM is all about the data. Okay, so if you love theory or not, but if you're learning PLM, you need to go in a lot of data. So product lifecycle data. So there will be a lot of data like project data, design data, engineering data, procurement data, manufacturing data, sales data, service data, cost data, quality data. So all the data will be there, and you need to study a lot for this data. So PLM is all about the collecting data, analyzing data, and making something very good output of it. Okay. So तुम लोगों ने जैसे अभी कंप्यूटर आईटी में एक बहुत फेमस चल रहा है अभी डेटा एनालिटिक्स. ओके, या डेटा एनालिसिस. So that is a very popular zone now. So that is like hot cake, hot selling cake. Okay. So that's why if you're learning PLM, you should be interested to learning the data. And if you know some of the software also how to integrate data, then you are the market leader. जैसे टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज के सॉफ्टवेयर में बताया, वीडियो में बताया. So be a market leader. So that's why I mostly tell my student, you need to be like what do you say? You need to correlate yourself with other branches also. Don't be like, oh, I'm only in mechanical, so I will study only mechanical. It's not like that. Now the job scenario in the company working is also changing. Okay. 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 So I'll just give you short. This will study detail in the later part, but just understand now what are the various stakeholders of PLM data. So likewise in a company, so there are various stakeholders like ERP, contract manufacturer, like tier 1, tier 2 supplier. Then there are suppliers. Then there are procurement, sourcing, operations and manufacturing, engineering management, engineering, mechanical engineers like design or the electrical engineer, document control. So these are all the stakeholders. So PLM enables the entire network, a company, its department, its business partner, suppliers, OEM. What is OEM? Quickly type in your chat box, what is OEM? This term, at least everybody should know this, because most of the companies they ask in the interview, what is OEM? PPT not visible? My PPT is not visible? Yeah, it is visible, Vaishnav. You need to refresh. Yes, Rahul and Akshay told correct. Yeah, most of you, Shubham, Rituja, yes. Original equipment manufacturer. Yes, OEM is original equipment manufacturer. So PLM enables the entire network. Very, very important thing. Company, departments, business partners. So तुम लोग अभी से slide से ध्यान में रखो. If you are working in a PLM, you need to go in a company and you need to enable the entire network. Network बनाना पड़ता है company के बीच में, departments के बीच में, business partners, suppliers, OEMs and customers. So if you are a PLM architecture, you should know all these technical terms. Okay. To operate as a single entity, to conceptualize, design, build and support product. This is very, very important. As a PLM architecture, if you're working in the industry or a PLM developer, so you should know this important definition. Okay. Okay, so this will discuss later. This will not go now. I'll just share you my PPT. Okay. So okay. So let's go to next. Okay. So why we are learning this PLM? Because there is an opportunity of globalization. What is globalization? जैसे अभी मोदी जी ने एक बोला है, बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस बोला है, किसी ने अभी सुना मन की बात में? मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी पीएम हमारे ने, उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छा लाइन बोला है in मन की बात for globalization. What is that statement? Can anybody recall? And please type in it. Yes, Joydeep told correct. Vocal for local. Yes, that is the very crux of the sentence what he told. Yes, vocal for local. What it means? Can anybody tell me? Anybody explain? Atmanirbhar Bharat. Yes, Rishikesh, correct. Can anybody tell me what is that meaning? Vocal for local. Anyone? Please raise your hand if you want to. Otherwise, I will make for myself. Anyone like to explain what is vocal for local? Yeah, Ajay, Aditya Prakash, you are told. Ajay Giramkar. Yes, I've unmuted you. You can unmute, self-muted. You are self-muted. Ajay, you can speak. Yes, Ajay, you are.
Yes, sir.
Unmuted.
Hello.
Yeah, what is vocal? Yeah, you are.
Yes, sir.
audible.
Modi ji said that vocal for local. That means vocal for local means if you have to use anything you want to use in that area only. We do not want to buy anything from other countries.
Yes, and
Hello,
this is
am I
for the
audible?
yes. You are audible. You are audible. Yes, correct. Your definition is correct. And also, he told one more thing, like because globalization, because local for local, you start making the things locally, and you start supplying for your own area, and you start spreading outside your area also. Okay. So why the PLM has a very good opportunity because of the globalization? Because we have an opportunity to sell our product and service worldwide now. You can see, and now you can see that China का हाल बहुत खराब हो रहा है. अगर चाइना का ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो थोड़े दिनों बाद उसका जो एक्सपोर्ट है धीरे धीरे कम हो जाएगा. And India is the second country in the world for whom the most of the companies are watching them, and they are telling. And yesterday also Modi ji told, yes, we need to have a lot of investment FDI in our country so that we can export and we can also go for globalization. So globalization also implies that a company have to be close to customers in many places and to understand customer requirement and sell products in many environment. Opportunities are enormous, but there are difficulties and potential risk. That is, we need to understand what are the difficulties and potential risks in this chapter. Okay. Okay, so opportunities of a growing market. Yes, so this is the thing. I think I recommend most of you should hear yesterday's Modi ji's lecture. So I think he has explained many things in which India can grow. I request everyone, please listen it. It's a very encouraging statement what he has made, and it is in English. Okay, and it is very interesting. You please listen it. So there are many sectors which he has shown where India can grow multiple times. Okay, so like we have a technology opportunities, we have a smart product opportunity. So these are the some of the field you should think of and you should grow in that area. So opportunity of global products. So global product mein, I think he told very good thing. India is a land of agriculture. So in agriculture we have the products which has having very less shelf life. Shelf life मतलब बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाते हैं. उसका shelf life ज़्यादा नहीं होता. So ready to eat food कुछ हम लोग बना सकते हैं क्या? Because global product मतलब globally वही product चलते हैं जो ready to eat है, जल्दी बना सकते हैं, वो ज़्यादा चलते हैं. Yeah, I can tell you one simple example. पतंजलि. इंडिया में पतंजलि इतना पॉपुलर नहीं है. But you think you just check with your friends who are at the foreign countries. Some of the seniors who are doing MS. बाहर पतंजलि बहुत पॉपुलर है because they think that is organic. We know what is the quality of Patanjali in India, but they think that is a Patanjali is an organic product. That's why there is a lot of sales in the foreign countries. Then social and environmental opportunities for product, more opportunities for product like unsolved problems, future changes, balance of power, increased regulations. So these are all the aspects where you can increase the opportunity for sales of your product. That's why PLM is very useful. Okay. 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 So do you have any idea about product development process? Please type in your chat box. Any idea about product development process? Anyone? Oh, everybody should type in the chat box. Yes, no, yes, no. Please, everyone type in your chat box. Okay, most of you are telling yes, no, yes, no. It's a combination of answers. Okay, let's see what is the product development process. Okay, so these are the product lifecycle phases. Okay, so the earlier question was how many phases are there? So basically there are 5 phases. I will discuss not very detailed today. I'll just tell you very brief today because on this topic there is a chapter 2, that is product design and product design and development, PDD. Okay, so mainly there are 5 phases. First, it starts with imagination, then it go with definition, then realization we make some prototype and then we start manufacturing. Then there is a either we use it, support it, and we do the maintenance for it. Then the last is a retirement, disposal, and recycling phase. Yes, understood. So these are the basically 5 product lifecycle phases. We will discuss on it in a very detailed manner in the chapter number 2. Okay, so I'll just show you simple diagram to understand this very easily. 1 minute, just give me 1 second. Yeah, so this is a product life cycle. So this is a simple example of, I think, mobile or the headset. Okay, so initially there is a design. It starts with design, then there is a material acquisition. Basically these are the 5 phases. Okay, in the 5 phase we can just put sub phases or sub diagrams. Okay. So in this you can see there is a start with the design, then we go for material acquisition, then material processing, manufacturing, packaging, distribution, use, and after use there is a reuse, recycle, or disposal. So this is a very, very important thing which you need to understand as a product life cycle phases. Okay, so this thing we'll discuss more detail in the second chapter. Okay, so anyone have some questions? Okay, so I'll just put you this poll question on your screen. Okay, just see on your screen. You need to answer it. I am requesting again everyone to complete on the Moodle on time, because see, if you don't complete, marks will be there for you. So less marks will be there, and you are now BTech. So you need a good marks so that at the end you get a this thing distinction on your mark sheet. I request everyone to start solving or start submitting on Moodle on time. Yes, quick fast, only 75% have voted. The life cycle dash makes up the beginning of life of the product in PLM. Oh. I've shown you there's 5 phases. So life cycle phases dash makes up beginning of life of the product in PLM. Yes, if 90% have voted, I'll just stop here and just share you the answer. But most of you are telling this thing, all of the above. No, imagination is the right answer. I told you here, I told you on the screen also. So first life or the first beginning of the life starts with the imagination. It's begin with the imagination. Okay. Okay, so just a last question for you. Yeah. So please answer this on your screen. So today we'll stop here and we'll start after this in the next class. What is how Saturday we'll discuss PLM paradigm, how the company is implementing PLM. So this basically first chapter is about the introduction of the PLM. Just understand, student, this thing carefully. This is the introduction. So in this I'm giving you the story of Wholesome. Okay, and we'll discuss one by one from chapter number 2 to chapter number 6. Okay, so 85% have voted. Rupesh sir, any question?